What's up everybody, and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video I continue to grind out walleyes on the Mississippi River by slow hopping plastics back to the boat. It's a perfect weather day, but the bite is tough. Don't worry, I do get some fish. Oh, and stick till the end of the video. I get my biggest walleye of the spring so far. Fish on. First fish of the day. Just an absolutely gorgeous March day. It's a nice fish. There we go, guys. Nice 15 3/4 incher to start the day. It's an awesome start. Get him back. Just throwing that liquid Willowcat fat swimmer, 3/8 ounce moon eye jig, 8-pound high vis gold Stren mono. Currently I'm using my Radcliffe Aspire 7'2", medium light, extra fast. And that is the setup today. That was a weird hit. I just seemed like I had a lot of slack line in between me and the fish. I just couldn't catch up with them. Fish. Shown. It's tagged a good one here. Not real big, but it's a nice fish. Ooh, real nice. That guy, beautiful fish. It's been eating. Pooping all over my boat. Oh, 17 incher. Gorgeous fish. And that fat swimmer again. Been drifting around in a sand flat here. That's only my second fish. A little less than an hour of fishing. It's not fast and furious by any means, but it's not really ideal conditions for catching walleyes in shallower water right now either. But we did gain, since yesterday, we gained 2 degrees in water temperature. So I'm hoping here when the sun gets down a little bit lower that this bite kind of cranks up here. Fish. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's a good one, guys. Real good fish. This is a big one. He just woofed it too. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Look at, he ate that plastic. That is ridiculous. That's on that paddle tail. That thing has been hot. Guys, that's a great looking fish. Beautiful walleye. Crack that plastic. We'll get a measurement. A 20 incher. Absolutely beautiful fish. Get that guy back. Fish. Ooh. This feels like a good one, guys. Not sure what I hooked here. It's a good one. Oh, I got him in this corner of the mouth. Oh, he's not as big as I was hoping. Still a good fish. Just not. When you hook them in the corner of the mouth, it feels like they're a lot bigger than they are. Yeah, see, they're milting. A little bit of milt. It's getting to be that time of the year. Get that guy back, probably 16-incher. Still using that fat swimmer from Liquid Willowcat. That's been the deal today. Been using that same plastic all day. I haven't had to switch it out. The very next evening, I head out to the same area with my good friend Brian. The water temp has dropped and the wind is gusty, but we managed to get some really nice walleyes. Yep. Not very big. No, sure. It's getting bigger now. That's
what I like to hear.
Thanks for the assist. Oh, second fish. Actually, the first one in the boat. Got him on the blade. It's a pretty big, heavy blade bait. What size? 3/8, maybe.
16.5.
Yeah. Nice fish. There we go. That's good. Switched over to a plastic here and hooked up on my first fish. Looks like a nice one. Pinned it. Fish pinned it on the bottom and got him up under the jaw there. Let's see how long he is. See, other one about the same size.
Yep.
Huh?
Damn close, isn't it?
Almost
Good
17.
Fish.
Get him back. Oh, that one slammed it.
He sure did, didn't he?
Better fish. I just got crushed on the plastic. This is a good fish, Brian.
Yeah, you can definitely tell. I'm betting it good. Oh, he did. He slammed it, didn't he?
You want to come back here and get that fish? It's going to be a good one. Just flop them in the boat.
Okay. Jeez, that is a beauty. Holy smokes, look at that thing. Wow. Holy cow, that is a dandy.
Okay, guys, you got that on that Liquid Willowcat fat swimmer. Just crushed it. Just absolutely awesome fish. Big old female. Get a measurement on her. 23 and a half.
23 and a half.
Gorgeous fish. Let's get her back in the water.
Yep. Beauty.
That was a tank.
That was a tank. I saw that thing roll up, and I'm like, I had 24 to 25 first. My head when she first rolled up, but